10 unknown facts about Ankita Sharma. First, Ankita Mayank Sharma is an Indian television actress known for her roles in various popular daily soaps. Second, she was born on 7th February 1977 in Delhi, India. Third, she pursued classical dance and music, earning a Visharad degree in 2008 with initial aspirations to be a dance choreographer. Fourth, she debuted in the television industry in 2009 with the show Fauji, The Iron Man, and The Agle Janam Mohe Bitiya Hi Ki Jo. Fifth, in 2010, Ankita played the lead role of Sanchi Sharma, Sanchi Shravan Jaiswal in TV show Baat Hamari Pakki Hai. Sixth, in 2012, she played the lead roles of Rajkumari Nimrit Sodhi and Natasha Oberoi in TV show Amrit Manthan. Seventh, she married Mayank Sharma on 9th March 2015. They have a son named Panshul Sharma. Eighth, she has also appeared in episodes of Laal Ishq, Dar Sabko Lagta Hai, and Saudhan India. Ninth, she is also a trained dancer and has acted in series like Rang Rasiya and Ye Jadoo Hai Jinka, establishing herself in Indian television. 10th, she starred as a Naina in Ek Shringar, Swabhiman and Meher in Ye Vaada Raha. Subscribe the channel.